I welcome all of you to this session on external reconstruction. Let us discuss one more problem on this topic. Let me read out the problem first. Go through it. Problem number 5. Following is the balance sheet of Chetan Limited as on 31st March 2021. Share capital 10,000 equity, 1 lakh equity shares of which 10 each, 10 lakh, creditors 5 lakh. Goodwill 1 lakh 80,000, building 3 lakh, machinery 4 lakh 50,000, stock 2 lakh 50,000, debtors 1 lakh 70,000, profit and loss account 1 lakh 50,000. Total of the given balance sheet 15 lakh. Following scheme of reconstruction was agreed upon. A new company to be formed called Chaitanya Limited with an authorized capital of rupees 25 lakh in shares of rupees 10 each to take over the assets and liabilities of Chetan Limited. B. 1 lakh shares of rupees 10 each, rupees 6 each paid up in Chaitanya Limited to be reissued to the shareholders in the old company. The goodwill to be written off fully and machinery and stock to be written down by 10% each. The balance of rupees 4 per share to be paid in cash by shareholders. Creditors to be satisfied by payment to them rupees 2 lakh in cash and debentures to be issued for the remaining balance by Chaitanya Limited. Show the necessary journal entries in the books of both the companies and prepare balance sheet after reconstruction. Yes, in this problem, authorized capital that to be shown in the new balance sheet is 25 lakh, out of which the issue capital 1 lakh shares of rupees 10 each, but credit is 6. In this sense, you have to follow payment method to determine the amount of purchase consideration. And rupee 4 per share paid in cash by shareholders, that is after the completion of the process of actual reconstruction. Those shareholders of World Limited who receives shares in Chaitanya Limited has to pay the 4 rupees balance of final call. Then the only speciality of this problem may be with regard to creditors. So creditors are taken over even more. First at the beginning it is also given to take over the assets and liability, having only one liability, that creditors also taken over. So you have taken over, then discharged or paid 2 lakh in cash and balance in the form of debentures. Balance in the sense out of 5 lakh, 3 lakh if in cash, so 2 lakh in cash and 3 lakh in the form of debentures in new company. So first go through the purchase consideration amount. As it is said, shareholders of old company, that is Chetan Limited, receive 1 lakh shares of 10 each, credited rupees or paid up rupees 6. So 1 lakh into 6, it's 6 lakh. Total amount of purchase consideration payable is 6 lakh. Mode of discharge, of course, it is only in the form of shares. In the partly paid equity shares, remember. Then, as asked, first, journal entries in the old company, transfer all assets to the debit of realization account, hence realized account debit. Individual assets include goodwill, though goodwill is worthless. That is for the new company, but the account has to be closed by transfer its balance to realization account. Other than profit and loss account given on the asset side, you have to transfer, total of which will be 13,50,000. Then entry to record liability taken, only one liability, that is creditors. When creditors taken over, creditors account debited to realization 5 lakh. Then to record the purchase consideration due, that is from Chaitanya Limited. So Chaitanya Limited account debited to realization on 6 lakh. Then settlement of the 6 lakh as decided, it is in the form of partly paid shares in Chaitanya Limited. So partly paid equity shares in Chaitanya Limited account debited to Chaitanya Limited account 6 lakh. Then when you prepare realization account, you will get the loss. See, total debit 13 lakh 50,000, credit 5 lakh creditors and 3 lakh purchase consideration, 2 lakh 50 difference in credit. So entry equity shareholders account debited to realization account. Transfer of realization loss. Yeah. Then transfer all items pertaining to equity shareholders to their account. You can have one combined entry for transferring both capital as well as unappropriate loss, or you can have two entries like this. So first entry to transfer share capital, equity share capital account debited to equity shareholders account 10 lakh, that is from the given balance sheet. Then and next entry to transfer profit loss account on the asset side means it is having a debit balance to close. Now you have to give credit to profit loss account and debit to equity shareholders account 1,50,000. Then when you prepare equity shareholders account, you say credit 10 lakh, debit 1,50,000 profit loss account and 2,50,000 realization loss. So 10 minus 4, 6 lakh due, 6 lakh final settlement in the form of partly paid shares. Yes, that all entries, these are all about entries in the books of transferor. Now transferee company, that is Chaitanya Limited. You are asked to prepare past journal entry as well as balance sheet. So now to record purchase consideration due. Business purchases account debited to liquidators of Chaitanya Limited account 6 lakh amount of purchase consideration. Then second entry, all assets whichever at agreed value, it is said that goodwill is worthless, so don't take that. Building as it is at book value 3 lakh, machinery at 10% reduction, in the sense 4,50,000 minus 10%, 45,000, thereby 4,05,000 is the agreed value. Then stock again 10%, 2,50,000 minus 25,000, so agreed value 2,25,000. Debtors as it is at 1,70,000. Then credit to center creditors 5 lakh, to business purchases 6 lakh. So 11 credit, debit, you can total sum it up, 3 lakh plus 4 lakh 5, 7 lakh 5 plus 215, 225. So it is 9, 30, 10 and 11 lakh. So there is no balance, absolutely no balance. Then settlement of purchase consideration which is due, settled by the issue of partly paid shares. So liquidators of Chaitanya Limited account debited to share capital account 1 lakh shares at rupees 10 each, rupees 6 paid. Then creditors settled or discharged by paying 2 lakh in cash and balance in debenture. So sundry creditors in the above entry number 2 you have credited. Now you debit 5 lakh to bank, paid 2 lakh, difference is 3 lakh, that is a debenture account. Then it said that rupees 4, remaining rupees 4 paid by shareholders. So entry to record that bank account debited to share capital account 1 lakh into 4, that is 4 lakh. Here you can pass two entries like equity share final call account debit to equity share capital, then bank to final call account. Instead of that you can have one straight entry like this, bank account debited to share capital account. Then balance sheet, you can give detailed one like share capital there, authorized share capital, it is not it must be 2,50,000 shares of rupees 10 each is 25 lakh is authorized. Then paid up is issued to paid up 1 lakh shares of 10 each, fully paid 10,000. Then reserves and surplus nothing. Secured loan, debentures 3 lakh, unsecured nil, current liabilities also nil. Other asset, fixed asset, building 3 lakh, machinery 4 lakh 5,000 and no investment. Then current assets, their stock 2 lakh 25,000, debtors 1 lakh 70 as it is. Bank account, you see, received 4 rupee per share, that 4 lakh minus 2 lakh pay to creditors, thereby 2 lakh balance left. This is all about the problem. Again one more simple problem like examination type.